We have had this tarp for a little over a year now, and it is time to upgrade to a new one. The tarp we're going with is a 12 by 16, which will fit perfectly for this run. It is a medium durability. The one we have now is currently a heavy. We went with the medium duty tarp. They were out of the heavy duty, and they didn't know when they were going to get them back in stock. But we kind of wanted to experiment to see if the medium was worth it. It is about half the cost of the heavy duty one, and if it lasts about a year, why spend double the money for the same outcome? So we just wanted to see if it was worth it. Putting on the new tarp here, this is a little bit difficult with one person, but it's totally doable. One thing that I would recommend is on your chicken wire, just make sure that none of your barbs are sticking up where you cut the ends off. If it do, you could rip a hole in your brand new tarp, and you wouldn't want that. So just make sure, give a little time to go in and make sure there's no burrs or barbs that are going to stick up and cut into your brand new tarp. This was really easy to put on, and so what we like to do is secure the tarp with zip ties to the cattle panels. This just keeps it from blowing away and keeps it where you want it. So what I see most people do is they will zip tie it all the way to the bottom, and that goes all the way down. They'll zip tie it. But if you ever have a breeze or it's really hot out, you want something to bring it up so you can let it breeze through. And that's where our little clips come in. So if we just put it on there, and now we can secure it to the chicken wire, and tarp's not going to blow around. And if we ever want to open it up, all you do is you just bring it up to the next, and then all it does is secure it. Do that at the other end, you will secure your tarp up. All right, so we got the tarp on, we got the sides rolled up, we're ready to go. I do like the carabiner method. If you like that or think of anything else that I might like better, just leave it in the comments. I would appreciate that. And thank you for sticking around to the end, and hope to see you on the next one.